Assalamu alaikum, hello everybody, this is me Sayyid Nadir Kazmi and you're watching Learn More with Nadir Kazmi. In this video we are going to crack down noun with the help of examples, and before starting the lecture let me remind you that this is the English grammar series where we will define each thing separately. And now here we are going to describe the very first part of a speech, and that is noun. So now without further delay, let's move over to today's topic. First of all, let's have a look at the definition of noun. Noun is the name of a person, a place, a thing, an animal, or an idea. Now let's understand with the help of examples. As I said, noun is the name of a person like Nadir, Ali, Akram. These are the names of person. Secondly, I said things also have the different names. There are several things in our surrounding like table, chair, pen, door, etc. So these are the names of things. And places also have the different names. The places where we used to go like school, tuition, park, hotel, home. So what are these? These are the names of places where we used to go. Animals also have the different names like lion, dog, cat, elephant. So these are the names of animal. And in the last, I said that there are also the names of ideas like freedom, peace, love, justice. So these are the names of ideas. Now, why are these ideas? Because we can neither touch nor see these things. These are just in our mind. We can only feel these things. So that's why these are called ideas. Now, dear students, let's conclude our today's topic. Whatever thing you observe in your surrounding, every single thing has a name, and that name is what we call a noun in English grammar. Got it? In the end, if you like this video, if you learned something new, then must hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay connected with us for upcoming videos. Thank you so much. Take care. Allah Hafiz.